major challenge in mission is finding ways to reach the millions of people in cities around the world. The list of cities with a population of 1 million or more residents continues to grow. In response to this challenge, a number of churches in different cities have opened up urban centers of influence. Many of these centers function as language schools, health stores, restaurants, juice bars, and so on. But some groups have branched out and come up with ideas that are outside the box. In Frankfurt, Germany, Presence Culture Lounge invites people from the diverse community to come together and participate in different cultural activities. These include cooking and eating together, watching films and discussing them, participating in literature nights, and organizing art exhibitions. The events encourage individuals of similar interests, but of different religious and cultural backgrounds, to engage in conversations and to make connections. Pastor Simrat Mahari, the founder of the center, says that in a secular society where the majority of people are skeptical of organized religion, the center is a place where people can feel they belong. Brian Atwell and his wife moved from the United States to Bangkok, Thailand, and opened a rock climbing gym. They had seen a documentary about Bangkok that revealed a need for general health education. The Atwells wanted to help people in this city know that they could take control of their health and avoid depending on costly medicine. They are now making connections with people using a fun and healthy activity. Samyuk Medical Center in Seoul, South Korea, operates a 2-story funeral home that also includes private apartments where grieving families stay as they mourn the loss of loved ones. In a country where much importance is given to funerals, the chaplains see the funeral service as an opportunity to share the hope of eternal life with the family members. This message is new to many of them, and families leave the service comforted and touched by the message. The funerals have also made a difference in the lives of the employees. Almost all of them are now baptized members of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Adventists in Suva, Fiji, don't need 4 walls and a roof to run a center of influence. They're using a park located in the center of the city to provide food to the homeless every week. They also invite the park visitors to join them in Bible studies and in health and singing ministries. Many of the homeless have had their lives transformed as they've come to learn of a God who cares for their needs because of the services provided by the church members. If you are considering taking up the challenge to serve the cities, visit the Mission to the Cities website for ways that you can get involved.